The video's explanations are based on the market capitalization of the coin. In the future, I will be posting more XRP news, as well as news on other cryptocurrencies, so please like and subscribe to my channel. Now examine this. Lawyer representing XRP makes timetable prediction for Remedies phase verdict. The SEC's complaint against Ripple is now in its Remedies phase, which is an important development. Everyone in the Bitcoin world is closely monitoring the situation. Supports XRP, which has garnered significant interest because to the anticipation of a ruling date. There are a number of pending motions and possible appeals that might significantly impact the development of cryptocurrency legislation, and this comes on top of them. In the RippleSec litigation, a lawyer has dropped a bombshell, a crucial date. An XRP supporting attorney named Fred Rispoli recently expressed his hopes on social media, saying that he is losing hope for a judgment on the Remedies phase on July 31st. Time is of the essence if I want to achieve my 731 forecast for the Remedies ruling. According to his article XRP, there is a growing sense of anticipation and conjecture among XRP community members, as seen by this comment. The CC complaint against Ripple has been moving at a rapid pace as of late, and Judge Annalisa Torres is now deliberating on potential injunctions and penalties. With no new information to report as July draws to a close, the court is expected to issue a final verdict sometime in August. Legal. Experts anticipate a flurry of appeals in the wake of the court's ruling due to the high-stakes nature of the case. The matter has been postponed and the final decision is now expected to be made this week, despite Rispoli's prior statement that it will be determined on July 13th. According to wealth advisor Mikkel and other analysts, the SEC's case against Ripple is among its weakest prosecutions of a cryptocurrency. On the other hand, challenges to earlier rulings are still open to both sides. The already complicated legal struggle is likely to get even more so if this occurs. Furthermore, there are a number of motions that are still pending. Expert testimony, unsealing of documents, and ultimate judgment are all topics that might be covered by these motions. Legal analysts Fred Rispoli and James Murphy, among others, have speculated that Judge Torres may opt to rule definitively on the Remedies phase by the end of July or August rather than addressing the motions now before Judge Sarah Netburn. Experts who testified in Ripple's lawsuit against the SEC highlight the far-reaching consequences of the agency's moves, which increase speculation in the cryptocurrency market. If the SEC decides not to appeal, it could leave itself vulnerable in future cryptocurrency instances. Because XRPOD sales provide a lot of money for Ripple, the company can challenge the decision that its seal sales or securities offerings are invalid. The ruling that Judge Torres has rendered regarding sanctions should not worry Ripple and its backers. When it comes to Ripple's commercial activities, however, the wording of the injunction is going to be crucial. The XRP community, sometimes called the XRP Army, is eagerly awaiting this verdict. They are crossing their fingers for a favorable verdict that might boost XRP's market standing. A joint status answer was just filed with the DC Federal District Court, which provides more information about the current legal proceedings. The proceedings around the potential injunctions and penalties are summarized in this paper, in addition to the possibility of appeals, to guarantee that all aspects of the case are carefully examined before reaching a final judgment. This comprehensive approach is employed. During Asian trading hours, the payments-focused XRP token outperformed Bitcoin, Ether, and the broad-based CoinDesk 20 index. The optimism of traders caused the token to surge to the top of the market. Due to increased hope for a resolution to the long-running SEC Ripple case and a major anticipated token unlock. Within a day, XRP's price increased 7%, hitting more than 64 cents. Since March 25th, this is the highest point. The judge will probably not have to decide whether 10 tokens like Sol from Solana and Matic from Polygon are unregistered securities just yet, because the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, plans to amend its complaint against the cryptocurrency exchange Binance, including about third-party crypto asset securities. This information was disclosed in a document that was filed on Tuesday. The file is being seen by traders as a possible sign that the legal dispute between the SEC and Ripple Labs, the company the agency asserts issued XRP, is nearing its conclusion. That is, you can't use any other token in place of Ripple or XRP, even though the text didn't specify which ones. Autonomous digital asset XRP has several potential applications, such as online payment systems and currency exchanges. In contrast, Ripple is an enterprise in the financial technology sector that is working on a worldwide payment network. In August, Ripple intends to release 1 billion XRP following a previously agreed-upon unlock schedule. At the present price of XRP, this would be worth $641 million. An increasing amount of evidence suggests that more tokens available for purchase could hasten the current upward trend in prices as a result of better liquidity. Here we have, according to market figures published by CoinGecko, XRP is mostly driven by South Korea. Even though increasing the quantity of tokens would logically cause a price fall, the Binance XRP U-Street trading pair, in comparison, reached $352 in volume. Trading in the XRP-1 pair surpassed $386 million in volume. Traders from South Korea have a reputation in the cryptocurrency world for instigating irrational rallies for tokens, which can lead to increased buying pressure and potentially affect prices. Local exchange trading activity for XRP overtook that of Bitcoin and standardized stablecoins at the beginning of July, making it the clear leader in the market. The token's value increased by 20% because of this. The world's biggest cryptocurrency exchange, as revealed by Bitcoinist early Tuesday morning, has partnered with the Securities and Exchange. 10 cryptocurrencies, including Cosmos, Solana, Cardano, and Polygon, which were formerly classified as securities, had their classification changed by the amendment. To have a better understanding of this, see this article. A forecast has been issued by research organizations that focus on Bitcoin game theory within the framework of the worldwide adoption race. 20 hours later, in reaction to this new information, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse brought up the hypocrisy that the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) had shown in its handling of cryptocurrency regulations and token classifications during the previous year, under Chair Gary Gensler's watch. Among Garlinghouse's grievances with the SEC is what he sees as a lack of uniformity in rulemaking, which he interprets as suggesting either political bias or dubious legal tactics, a disregard for legal obligations. Further, Ripple CLO Stuart Alderety offered his thoughts on the matter, drawing attention to the apparent inconsistencies between the lawsuits filed in the fourth quarter of 2023 against cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase and Binance. Trading advice should not be construed from the data that has been supplied. Any investments made relying on the information presented on this page are not liable for any reason. It is highly recommended that you consult an expert and do your own research before making any investing decisions.